Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Acadia. It's right behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. HID headlights are wrapped with LED running lights. A look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Rear facing entertainment center. And you have a panoramic sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you don't have to worry about sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.